You're smart to recognize that being seen matters. The good news is that there is a lot of ground between doing nightly happy hours and never doing happy hours. Could you go out with your team every other week or so? Maybe give yourself a budget of 3 events per month. That way, you're still being seen, but you know it's not happening all the time either. You can also ask for FaceTime during the day. Try swinging by your boss's office and telling her what you've been up to. You can make time for lunches, make time for coffee breaks, make time for breakfast. We take breaks at work anyway, so you may as well get some FaceTime out of them.
Join in on the conversation on Twitter, Facebook, and WorkingMother.com.